Hey guys, Kyle, Mel. Kyle sent me this back when he sent back some of my other fidgets, and I haven't got around to opening it. Got around to opening it yet. This was in there, and he knows I like surprises, so I wasn't aware this was in there, so I opened the package off camera, thinking it was just, return fidgets. So, here we go. He asked if I received I think it's called Sega yet. So, I kind of already know what this is because he sent some videos in our group chat. Yeah, the Sega. So, yeah, a mechanical tracked fidget that rotates. A little awkward to hold. Initial impressions. Okay, there we go. I can kind of get a better grip on it if I hold the back plate more diamond configuration rather than square. So I'm utilizing 3 of the corners. I mean, this is cool. You know, it's kind of ugly. It is definitely heavier than I thought it would be. I guess there is a decent amount of metal on it. I don't know what it's made of. I remember this happening in Kyle's video. This literally just seems to be for aesthetics. Why put it on with magnets? Maybe because that's a cheaper, easier way to do it for the manufacturer. Not quite sure. Kind of strange. Looks like we got a peak liner and track mechanism. I'm not going to take this one all the way apart because it looks like I have to take off these, which then exposes this little screw that I see poking right here. Oh, I'm looking at my screen and my white balance is making my hands look dead. Oh well. Maybe I can fix that in post. If it looks okay, I either fixed it or I didn't fix it, I guess, and let me know if it looks terrible. So the clicks up and down have quite a bit more resistance than the rotational clicks. Like, check this out. Oh. You know, and if I do that same force on this thing, yeah, I'm pushing it all the way, but it is way harder to actuate the sliding motion rather than the rotation. So I find myself, I guess you could say, accidentally pivoting whenever I'm also pushing. I don't personally like that. I would rather it be something that happens more intentionally rather than on accident. The clicks are definitely softer too. It's probably tunable. We just got some stickers and stuff in here. So I'm not too sure there. Put this back over here. Yeah, maybe it's tunable to where you could put tighter springs or bigger balls or something to equal out the click ratios, right? And you see, got a big bearing there. Tight tolerances, not very wobbly or anything. Slides very smooth. I could see this being like a good entry-level fidget, you know what I mean? It gives you a good sensation of what mechanical haptics and ping can sound like. You can get a bit of top C, other mechanical coin kind of feedback. Let's see. So this is kind of like a ZZ plate, I think. There's, 24 clicks here? I didn't count them all. I counted half, I think. So to compare, just because I got it here. Now, they of course sound different, but you get the idea, right? Oh, little spit bubble. There we go. I did a accidental right there. Yeah, definitely a little stiff on the sliding mechanism. Not sure which way I like to hold it the most either. How's this? Is it good this way? Doesn't really matter for keeping it in the center for rotations. That's pretty cool. Definitely doesn't have any hot spots. This side is more comfortable. I guess you could maybe say that this piece, or, you know, the silver piece, these edges here, they might be a little edgy. I don't want to say hot spotty, but then this also creates lots of edges to interact with. I wish they would have just made it more like this on both sides. Maybe get the mass down a little bit, because the bearing on this side definitely adds some weight, because this side has, you know, track taken out. A little bit of a even weight bias would be nice. That's something I've noticed with some Fidgets, that, like, I had the tungsten version of the top B, and you have a hollow side that houses the steel track plate, and then you have a solid side that has the springs and the balls. You know, on the tungsten one, the solid tungsten side, it just felt so much heavier than the hollow side with the steel plate, and it just didn't feel right. It had an imbalance. This one, I'm getting that same imbalance kind of thing going on. You just got the side with the bearing is a lot heavier. It's almost like I just want to use it this way, but it's kind of weird too, and yeah, definitely kind of weird doing it like that. Works better like this, and of course that's the show side, so you want that. I'm sure the maker intended this to be the side that you're looking at. Huh. I'm just kind of rambling, I guess. This is not bad by any means. Very smooth, being peak. The bearing smooth. The tolerances are really good. Let's look at a light gap here. Is there one? There is. So this metal body here on this rotating plate is not contacting this peak whenever it's at least in its neutral position, maybe whenever you're pressing down on it and using it. But then again, I don't even think it is. I think all of the forces are riding on this bearing here. And then these are just for this peak track here to ride inside of these peak rails. Yeah, this is definitely on a bearing, or only on the bearing. So yeah, the YEDC Vega. Not Vega, Sega. Pretty cool. Kyle, thanks for sending this. I will get it back to you. I think I'll get them out tomorrow. I think I'm doing shipping tomorrow. I kind of got a lot going on too, but yeah. It's Sunday, by the way. Alright guys, thanks for watching. See ya.